MS Access is a relational database management system. In this management system, we can easily manage data in tabular form. First, right click on the desktop, select a new, select MS Office Access, then MS Office Access will be opened. For creating database in MS Access, click on Office button which is on corner. Then a menu will be open. You have to select new, then a window will be open. Here you can create database by two options. First I have select local templates. Here many predefined templates are available. Here I select contact template. Here you can change file name and click create button. After clicking create button, a database with contact list table will be opened. Here some predefined fields. First field is ID field, then first name, last name, email address, business phone, company and title, job title. One more way to create database in MS Access, click on Office button, then select new option. Then there is a blank database option. Select that and you can write or change name of database here. After writing name here, you have to click on create button. Then a database with table name table 1 will be created. You can change the name of this table 1 by double clicking on that table 1. Select Save option and write the name here and click on the OK button. After clicking on OK button, you will notice the name of table will be changed. In MS Access, you can add up to 255 field names and unlimited number of records in your table. For adding new field in your table, you have to click on Add New Field and you can write here the name of field. For next field, press Tab key on keyboard and write here the name of next field. Here we have added S-name field, class field, subject field and address field. Here ID field is automatically created field. Here you can view your table in many views. First you have to click on view option. There are many views. First one is datasheet view. Second one is pivot table view. Third one is pivot chart view. And fourth one is design view. See, design view will be looks like this. Vertically, field names are given. In front of them, their data types will be given.